Hey YouTube, I was just digging these beautiful flower arrangements and a little plant area they got here. I'm out on the road hanging out a little bit and just kind of cleaning up the van a little bit. I was watching the weather and the hurricane is it's a tropical storm out there, so the route I was going to take on my trip is kind of crossing with that, and so I'm gonna hunker down until look like Thursday or Friday it should clear out a little better. I'll get on the road. I need to get on the road. Anyway, the back of the van, I had shown a different setup the last time I showed the back of it. So now I have, I kept one of my passenger seats, and it lays back all the way back. So if I don't feel like climbing up there in that bed, I can just kind of lay back, recline back in that seat. Also, I have my little office table or dinner table or whatever you want to call it. It's a combination to eat on or to do the computer on. So that's what's going on with that. I figured that worked out better than what I had. So, yep, that's the new setup. So anyway, I'm just watching this weather. You gotta watch the weather when you're traveling. So I'll watch it where I track it. I track it to wherever I'm supposed to be heading toward, and I'm just gonna give it a break. So anyway, thank you guys for listening. Take care.